Yeah.
Um,
It's marketing though, right? It comes straight from your
yeah,
marketing budget. Yeah.
exactly. It's literally part of the marketing budget. But yeah, I mean that could happen. Like I'm a big fan of to me like the star channel and this edutainment type of content is probably Vox. Um, that produce every video is different. Every video is a little bit of a work of art, if you will, with the animations and stuff. Like I love that. I wish we could have a channel like that, maybe in the business type. I mean, in the business topics.
Yeah.
Um, I think it's a very different endeavor for our company, like from the type of people that we hire to the recruiting. One of the reasons why Vox is such a good channel, I think, is because it has probably 4 or 5 presenters that each one of them brings their own ideas and brings their own content into the channel, and they direct and they create and they do the animations for these videos, and Vox becomes kind of an aggregator. So we've thought about it. We need to find other me's to sort of do that with new videos and new topics. And for the company, that's this risk that we are not sure we are ready to take. For a business like ours, the question is, where can we generate more? We're operating in a business, right? I answer to my investors. So the question is, where can we generate more money faster? And the answer to that, believe it or not, is not YouTube. The answer to that is the products that we're building.